Lovely little microwave by Sharp. It's got loads of different settings, time to frost, wait to frost, popcorn, change the power level, switch between micro and grill. So then it heats it like a microwave and then crisps the top off. Right, so let's get cooking then. Got a nice little mug cake. I'm ready to go in. Let's open the door. We remove the rack. That is for use with the grill part of the microwave. So as you can see, quite spacious inside. Looks really good. Put the cup in. Shut the door. We go to power level. Press it because we want it on the highest power, which is 100p. Then we do the timer. Press 1 minute and 20 seconds, and then we press start and wait for it to cook. The mug turns around so it's nice and evenly heated. You want it uncooked. Tried the grill out, quite like the grill. Done it to do some hot cross buns. Toasted them up lovely, same as the muffins. The muffins were really good too. Looks nice, really does look nice. So glad I got it now. Still see the cup turning, counter's going down. Cake is nearly cooked. There we go, it beeps to let you know. We open the door and remove the mug cake. There we go. How do you all like that? Lovely.